This will be an unboxing of the Google Pixel 3a. Now I want to give a special shout out to Google and hashtag Teampixel for sending this over. Hashtag giftfromgoogle. Let's dive right in. Hashtag Teampixel, Google logo and the outline of the phone in the Google colors, as you can see. Google logo on each side and hashtag Teampixel here. And on the top also says hashtag Teampixel. And let's see the bottom. Bottom is blank. So let's just go ahead and lift this up. And let's have a look. Ooh, all right. So what is this? Hashtag Teampixel, some information. Pause the video if you want to read that. And some information about Google Fi service. Put that to the side. And oh, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Pixel 3a XL in the white colorway, so you can see. Have a look. Very nice. Thank you, Teampixel and Google again. And in here we get the Pixel 3 XL case, as you can see. Cloth material. We'll take a peek. And then pop socket for the phone. Hashtag Teampixel and Google colors. Very nice. And what else do we get? Looks like we have a little bag here with what seems to be Google logo. Yup. Nice. Look at that. Straight reppin'. Put that to the side, and then nothing else here. So let me go ahead and put this stuff away. Give me a second. Oh, and I almost forgot. Hashtag Teampixel on the other side of the bag. Nice. So I have the phone here, the case, and the pop socket. We'll go ahead and take a look at the main event. The Pixel 3a XL, and looks like I have some plastic here. Gonna undo this tab and put that to the side, and let's have a look. Oh, there's two of them. My bad. My bad. Okay, now I can lift this, and we'll go like this. Oh, nice. Phone itself. And let's do the honors. Woo! And here we go. Go ahead and turn this on. Love that power button. Fingerprint scanner, Google logo. You have your camera in the back and flash. Now this is the same camera hardware as the Pixel 3 XL, as you can see. Power button, volume rocker. SIM slot on this part of the phone. On the bottom, you have your USB Type-C, speakers, and on top, welcome back to the headphone jack. Very nice. Mic, and it's pretty much it. This is plastic build, and then comparing it to the glass here of the Pixel 3 XL, I gotta say, it feels pretty similar. Not too different. Start. Connect to mobile network. I'm gonna skip this for now. And then connect to Wi-Fi. Choose my Wi-Fi. Gonna enter my password. Checking for updates. Gotta say, first impression, this phone feels good in the hand. Nice and lightweight. Not bad for 400, this one's the XL version, so 480 bucks for this. Pretty good deal if you ask me. I like what Google's doing with the pricing. You get the same flagship camera. Okay, and copy apps and data. I'm gonna say not copy. Fresh, clean start. Checking info. And then we'll skip the Google address for now. I just wanna get into the phone, skip the account setup. Google services. Okay, I'm gonna just say no to all of these except in additional legal terms. I guess I don't have a choice but to accept. That's fine. And unlock with Pixel imprint. So let's go ahead and check out this capacitive fingerprint scanner back here. So no fancy in-display or anything. So we'll just go ahead and put a bunch of zeros so you can get in my phone. Touch the sensor back here, and let's begin. Just tapping my finger on the sensor. Fingerprint added, that was fast. Nice. Next, review additional apps. Sure, okay. Adding finishing touches. And we are in. So let me go ahead and adjust the brightness a little bit so you guys can see on my camera a little bit better. So let's go ahead and check the what Android we have. Should be the latest version of Android 9. So we'll just check real fast. We'll go to System, or excuse me, About Phone. As you can see, Android version is 9. We'll click that, and it's on the March 5th security patch, which this will get an update to get it updated to like the May security patch. So I should expect that any second. This is an OLED display, 1080p resolution, which again for 400 for the 3 model, the 3A model, and 480 I think it is for the 3A XL like this one. Not a bad deal. So before I forget, let's check what else we get in the packaging. Move this little tray out of the way, and here's some documentation. And what is that? The SIM tool is in here. So you can see you get SIM tool, get some decals, hashtag Teampixel to put in your friend's iPhone XR. Put that to the side. Some docks here, and put that to the side. And here you get your USB Type-C cable and your little adapter here for transferring data, etc. And in here should be the power brick. Here we go, power brick. Which I think this has fast charge also. Correct me if I'm mistaken. Okay, so let's take a look at the case. Pixel 3A XL case. How do I open this bad boy? Let's open this up. Right, meow. Oh, okay, I have some tape here. I didn't see that at first. All right. We'll just go ahead, use my blade, make an incision, and does this pull out? How does this work? It does pull out. Pull it out! That's what she said. There we go. And this is the case. And then hashtag Teampixel for help and cleaning tips, etc. Read that if you want to. Put that to the side, and this is the case. Ooh, nice material here. Cloth material. Have the Google logo there on the bottom, so you can see. I like how it kind of blends in with the case. Nice. Cutouts there for a camera, flash, fingerprint scanner. And I love how the power button matches the power button of the phone. Nice touch. Love that. And then here you can't, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's a raise right there for your volume rocker. Google Pixel 3A and 3A XL will fit, right? Yep. And then inside, it's a soft material, so you will not scratch, so the case will not scratch the phone. And let's put it on. Phone slides right in and feels really good. Wow, I like the grip that this case provides. No fingerprints back here, will not slip out of your hands. Ooh, I'm liking this combination, nice. And then we'll check out the power button, nice and clicky. Love it. And then the volume rocker. Woo! That is hella clicky, boy. Love it. Okay, so the main feature about this phone, other than the price, $400 or $480, depending on which model you get, is the camera. Essentially, you're getting the same camera as the Pixel 3 XL, except that this phone is cheaper. Now, it has a lesser processor, I think Snapdragon 670, only 4 gigs of RAM, only 64 gigs of storage, which is non-expandable. The build quality is only plastic. You're making some sacrifices for that lower price, but you have the essentials here. You have a OLED 1080p display, and you have that awesome camera, and the fingerprint scanner is not bad. As you can see, nice and quick. So you have the essentials here. Let's take a look at the camera, which is the main feature of this phone. I deny that. So let's take a picture of something right meow. I'm gonna take a picture of this pop socket and the packaging of the case. And let me make sure this thing is in landscape mode, which I don't think it is actually. Let me go ahead and, there you go. Landscape mode. Go ahead and take a picture of this. So I'll put that in the video, and in comparison, take a picture with the iPhone XR, so you can see. Here is the 10R. And put that in a video. Let me know which picture you think is better. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Pixel 3a XL. Is speed tests and camera tests versus other budget devices such as the Pocophone F1, OnePlus 6T, iPhone XR, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Whoops. Thanks for watching. Peace out.